mind where shadows dance and intertwine. I wander through the echoes of memories not so kind. A carousel of whispers, spinning tales of yesteryears, where laughter turned to silence and joy dissolved in tears. But you're my anchor in the storm. You, in your embrace I'm reborn. Friends, 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 with hands that pull me through. Friends, 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 it's you. Beneath the surface of my smile lies a battle fierce and wild, a tempest of emotions in the heart of a fighting child, a tapestry of sorrow woven with threads of pain, a symphony of solitude, a solitary refrain. But you're my anchor in the storm. You, in your embrace I'm reborn. Friends, 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 with hands that pull me through. Friends, 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 it's you. Cycles of melancholic life. Cycles of melancholic life. Cycles of melancholic life. Cycles of melancholic You, my lighthouse in the night. You, with you I'll win this fight. Friends, 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 you're the melody that mends. Friends, 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 it's you. Cycles of melancholic life. 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 Cycles of melancholic life.
Yeah, scratching your eyes out, it will not help, it is fact. You looking, yes, that's done in view of your brains. It's a long way down, your drop is what you made of this life. Keep on climbing and stay on fucking track. Get back. What is your destination? Where are you going? Yes, you. What is your sport? Hey, you'll spoil it some more. Will you even make it? You'll make it even Stevens. Make your journey rich, so to your turmoil. Keep willing it, it wills you, will it some more. See it right through day to day. Keep on knocking, knock on each door through the eyes of the keyhole. I see you, damn I see you, fool you are, and fuck that's hard to take. Walk on by and ignore these words, the signs aside. Your wounds will never heal, they'll remain open. Turn your blind eyes, I sing it's your turn in your shame. Oh what a piece of shame to see. Will the shame fade or slide? Oh, what is your destination? Where are you going? Yes you. What is your sport? Hey you'll spoil it some more. Will you even make it? You make it even Stevens. Make your journey rich, so to your turmoil. Keep fine. Ignore these words, the signs aside. Your wounds will never heal, they'll remain open. Turn your blind eyes, I sing as you turn in your shame. Oh, what a piece of shame to seize. Will the shame fade or slide? What is your destination? Where are you going? Yes, you. What is your sport? Hey, your sport, let's some more. Will you even make it? You'll make it even Stevens making Johnny Rich look to your time on. Keep willing it wills you, will it some more. See it right through me today. Keep on knocking, knock on each door through the eyes of the keyhole. I see you, damn I see you for who you are. I thought that's all it takes.
In the labyrinth of neurons, where electric whispers weave, a fragile web of consciousness, a dance of like a seed. But what if friends unravel ever, and circuits start to fray? Let me sing you a somber tale of when the mind gives way. Anxiety creeps like shadows gnawing at the core, a tempest in the synapses, a storm that seeks no shore. Depression paints the canvas gray, erasing cues of hope, as whispers turn to thunder and sanity's tightrope breaks. Nerves break down, a symphony of shattered glass where thoughts collide like comets, leaving trails of ash. Emotional numbness, a frost that chills the soul, and tears become a memory, a river that runs dry, uncle. Down a symphony of shattered glass where thoughts collide like comets, leaving trails of ash. Emotional numbness, a frost that chills the soul, and tears become a memory, a river that runs dry, uncle. Friends leave the doors, erratic and empty, from the 40 years dizzy heights to episode Sunday. Central withdrawal, the highways on back, and laughter echoes faintly lost in winter.
Dig a little, keep digging and dig a little more, you dirty little digger. Search my epitome, my empty hole, keeping searching for the answers that only your soul knows. Dig into my soul so deep that feels it like your own. The fuck would you have done in these huge shoes? I dig it, you dig it a little, keep digging and dig a little more. Search my soul, keeping searching for the answers that only you know. Run a bit, run a little more, keep running, you're around in my mind. Dig your nails into my soul. I'm not insane, I'm just simply observing. Calling on calling cards, there's nobody else around. Watch your steps, track those eyes, wash that mouth out. You've never meant a word. It's only me, just me, no one else but an aged old mind. Why play the fool, you're not fooling around. Set me up, watch me fall, you constantly cut me down. Stop saying that you're sorry now, it means nothing at all. I dig it, you dig it a little. Keep digging, dig a little more. Search my soul, keeping searching for the answers that only you know. Run a bit, run a little more. Keep running, you're around in my mind. Dig your nails into my soul. I dig it, you dig it a little. Keep digging, dig a little more. You dirty little digger. Search my epitome, my empty hole. Keeping searching for the answers that only your soul knows. Dig it to my soul so deep that feels it like your own. The fuck would you have done in these huge shoes? I dig it, you dig it a little. Keep digging. In the morning, you're my sunrise delight. A cup of contradiction, darkest night gets so bright. You lift me from my slumber with your romantic tease. Buy me dated coffee, you bring me to my knees. Coffee, coffee, you're a paradox in a cup. You wake me, then you break me, I can never give you up. Morning, noon, and evening, you're my bittersweet friend. A caffeinated cycle that I never wanted. In the afternoon, you're there, pick me up at best. But let's be honest, coffee is just a liquid jest. You promised me focus, a burst of energy. Yet here I am, jittery, a buzzing, busy bee. Coffee, coffee, you're a riddle rock, an enigma in a mud. The one I need the most from the AM to the PM. You're my constant brew, a love-hate relationship, but I'm addicted to you. And when it's time to bloom, when I'm addicted to you. Coffee, coffee, you're a riddle wrapped, an enigma in a mug. The one I need the most from the AM to the PM. You're my constant brew, a love-hate relationship, but I'm addicted to you. But when it's time to brew, but I'm addicted to you. So here's to you, deep coffee, my contradictory song. In the morning, in the afternoon, and all the evening long. You're the hero and the villain in my daily routine. I'm another cup of coffee, yeah. You're the beat of my dreams.